What's up, you guys? It's your girl and Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. And first things first, what I'm gonna need you guys to not do is judge. Okay, let's just get rid of the elephant in the room. My hair is hella crusty, it's hella dirty, and it is in need of a serious wash, some serious TLC. So I'm gonna zoom out in a little bit and show you guys what's going on. But yeah, like, my hair is itchy, my hair is a hot mess, but I really just wanted to show you guys and bring you guys along on today's wash day. If you guys want to see what I use today to take care of my hair and get it nice and fresh for a wash and go, then definitely keep on watching. But before we hop into things, I would love if you guys subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you know when I post new videos. But without further ado, you guys, let's get this video started. Okay, so this is what's going on. I like, yeah, this is what this, like, I just want you to know, like, this right here is not quarantine. This is quarantine, okay? Like, I'm just keeping it 100 with you guys. Like, I know you guys think influencers have it all together and we're always glam and looking bomb as F. Not me. Honestly, between my girls and just being super busy, oftentimes my hair ends up looking like this. So this is how my hair is looking. It is a hot mess and definitely in need of some serious TLC. I have a lot of product buildup and my hair is pretty matted. So I'm definitely going to go ahead with my apple cider vinegar mixture and get this situated. So this is the healing clay that I use to do my mixture. You want to make sure that when you're mixing this, you do not use any sort of metal. So I'm using plastic spoon and a bowl. Next, you just want to mix in some apple cider vinegar. You can use water, but I find the best results come with using the vinegar. I do not measure, you guys. I kind of just keep pouring until I'm satisfied. I typically like to have a yogurt consistency, but you guys will see that I definitely added way too much apple cider vinegar. So it really is a personal preference as to how liquidy or thick you would like your clay mask to be. I personally like to have mine looking like yogurt, but this time I did pour a little bit too much apple cider vinegar, but it was fine. And you also want to note that sometimes it might seem like you're adding too much, but once it oxidizes and the bubbles start dissolving, the liquid comes a little bit more dense, so just be mindful of that. But yeah, just keep mixing until everything is nice and dissolved, and then you are ready to apply it to your hair. So now that I've got my mask ready, I'm ready to start my wash day, and these are the products that I'm going to be using. So first things first, I am just rinsing my hair with water, but I need you guys to get into this slow-mo. They need to start hiring black girls for like those Pantene commercials, because this is so satisfying, you guys. So you guys are just gonna have to watch this slow-mo of me rinsing my hair, because I was just loving it. So now that I'm done my little moment, I'm just going to start applying the clay mixture to my hair, and you want to make sure that you're working in smaller sections. So I'm just putting that up, and then I'm just going to start applying the mask to my hair with my hands. Putting it through my hair. I usually do like when the clay is a lot thicker, but I did pour a little bit too much apple cider vinegar, so we're just gonna have to work with this for now. So some of the benefits of this mixture are it really detoxifies and clarifies your hair and scalp. It rids your hair of excess product buildup. It conditions your hair. It just adds an extra shine. And the best thing of all for me is it definitely clumps your curls and just has your curls popping, as you guys can see. So you definitely want to make sure that you are also applying the mask to your scalp. This is how my hair looks with the mask covered in my entire hair, and you just want to leave this in until your hair dries up and starts to feel a little bit hard. So I'm back, you guys, and this is what I meant when I said that your hair will look gray. My hair is pretty dry for the most part. I have a few spots like in here that are still a little bit wet, But for the most part, my hair is fully dry, and you can also tell that my hair has shrunken up a lot. So that is a great indication that your hair is ready to be rinsed out. Next, I'm just gonna rinse this all out, and then I'm gonna go ahead with my shampoo. So just a side note, if you're wondering, the clay actually rinses very easily out of your hair. You don't really have to work very hard. I know a lot of people are worried about it getting stuck in their hair, but it definitely dissolves very easily. So now my hair feels really soft. It feels like it's been brought back to life, which I'm so happy about. So next I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse my hair with some shampoo. So I'm grabbing my Missrayyy organic shampoo. I've actually never used this shampoo before, so this is gonna be interesting. So first things, let's just go ahead and open it. Oh, I did not expect it to be this creamy. It looks like it's really, really creamy. It smells so good. And it definitely provides a very thick and rich lather, which I really do love. So far, I will say it does not feel like my hair is being stripped. I do have a decent slip. It's not a lot of slip. I've had some shampoos that provide a lot more slip. I definitely think I added a little bit too much. So I'm just giving my scalp another good scrub, and then I'm just gonna wash this all out. Okay, so I will say that my hair does feel a little bit on the dry side. It's not like super crusty, like has no moisture dry, but it doesn't feel as moisturized as I would like it to feel. So I'm using the pomegranate and honey conditioner from Missrayyy Organics, and it is also pretty thick. This is the consistency of it. This stuff smells so good, you guys. It smells like fruity tropical goodness. When I first applied the conditioner, it felt a little bit silicone-y, like kind of like a film over my hair, but I really did like the slip that this provided. Don't forget to come and pick up your woohoo feelings. Sorry, I just gotta get that out there. Okay, so the conditioner did add moisture. I have to put some respect on its name because it definitely did add moisture. I can feel it, and my hair feels pretty good actually. Does not feel stripped, and it doesn't feel as dry as it felt after I washed out the shampoo. So I am not mad at that conditioner. We like that for us. And finally, I'm gonna move on to the Heal and Renew Deep Conditioner by Uncle Funky's Daughter. And this is supposed to hydrate, detangle, and fortify damaged hair. So my hair is not necessarily damaged, but it's super dry. So that's why I picked this up. And this is a deep conditioner that I actually really do love. So let's go ahead and hop into this. This smell is so therapeutic. Like, it's just like aromatherapy. It's so awesome. So it has a very creamy consistency, so this is what it looks like. And yeah, I did feel like I had to add a bunch for it to coat my hair, so that was definitely a con for me. But my hair definitely feels so great as soon as I put this on my hair. This stuff gives me a lot of slip and a lot of moisture. I do have an affiliate code, so if you use Rayanne Samantha, you can get money off of your purchase at Uncle Funky's Daughter, and I will have that linked in the description box and maybe somewhere on the screen as well. So let's read, because no shade, but reading is a huge skill to have when we're putting stuff in our hair. I said it. Cover with plastic cap and let stand for 5 minutes, or apply heat and leave it in for 30 minutes and then rinse. So I'm gonna get a plastic bag, put it over my head, leave this on for a bit, and then come back to you guys. Ooh. It's been a long time since I've used a plastic bag. Sometimes I've been really lazy, to be honest, to use heat for my deep conditioners, so I forgot about the magic of putting a bag on your hair or using heat for a deep conditioner, because wow, my hair feels amazing. I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. I really love what this deep conditioner did to my hair, because even after I washed everything out, it still felt as soft as when I put it in. So that concludes my wash day, you guys. Typically I do come back and do a style with you, but I am going to be doing a wash and go after this, and that's going to be a pretty lengthy process. So I wanted to give you guys a full wash day routine video, and then I will split it up and do an additional wash and go video. So yeah, I'm gonna split this into 2 parts. So for now, I'm just gonna say thank you guys so much for supporting it. This video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, you guys, hopefully I see you in another video, but for now I'm gonna say toodles.